Another similar question. Find the 0 of the quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between the 0 and the coefficient. So we are looking at only two terms over here. That's a bit weird. But anyways, let's continue. So we are starting off with writing in standard form. So we have 4u square plus 8u. Since the last term is missing, we'll add a 0. And the function name would be f of u, as u is the variable which the function will depend on. And then we'll be writing the standard form ax square plus bx plus c, right? Then we'll start off with splitting the middle term. So let's split. Now you have f of we need to do this, right? When multiplied, I should get a product of 4 into 0, that is 0, and when added I should get 8. It's a bit kind of weird, right? For you guys, obviously, I mean, this is the first time when I'm sure you will be looking at 0 as the product, or if you had looked at it before, good. So can you guys guess what is the two numbers? Make an educated guess. Well, when I multiply, I should get 0, so one of the number has to be 0, and when I add, I should get 8, so the number has to be 8. So basically, you're splitting to the same thing. 4u square plus 8u plus 0u plus 0. I mean, it's basically the same as the question itself, is it not? So the thing is, whenever you get two terms, you need not split the middle term. See, the question is clear that you have to find the zeros. You can use any method. Splitting the middle term is just a method. It's not that you have to do it. Whenever you get two terms, right, do write in the standard form. Okay, it helps in verification. But you need not split the middle term. You can directly find the zeros. So how do you do that? Let me show that to you. So you have 4u square plus 8u, right? So let's take common. 4u is common, and you have u plus 2, is it not? Right? 4u square and 8u, you have 4 and u as common. So it is u plus 2. So post taking common, you can directly find the answer. All you have to do is equate 4 plus 2 to be equal to 0 and u is equal to minus 2. That's one of the zeros. And can you guess the other zero? Well, it's quite simple. 4u should be equal to 0, so u has to be equal to 0. Is it not? If I put a 0 over here, think about it. It's quite simple. If I put a 0 over here, 4 into 0 square is 0 plus 8 into 0 is 0. That's what 0 is about. Is it not? 0 is a value. I'm talking about the 0, not numerical 0. Zeros are values which when put in your variables, the output will be 0. So technically 0, numerical 0 will get the output to be numerically equal to 0. So answer is 0 and minus 2. So as usual, let's verify this with the help of Python coding. And when I execute this, I have my graph. And if you look carefully, right, we have the answer to be so minus 2 and 0, is it not? Right? Have a look. So the graph is crossing the x-axis at minus 2 and 0. So the answer is minus 2 and 0 itself. Okay. The next thing is verification. So let me write this. Minus alpha is equal to minus 2 and beta is equal to 0. So now we have the verification. Verification goes like this: alpha plus beta being equal to minus b by a alpha is minus 2, beta is 0, minus b is 8, and a is 4. So minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Make sense? That's my first term. My second term is alpha into beta. My second formula is alpha into beta plus c equal to plus c by a. Alpha is minus 2 into 0 is equal to c is 0, right? C is 0 and a is 4. So 0 is equal to 0, right? Hence both are true statement. So here I have space to write all of this. Okay, hence verified. Hence verified. Okay, that's it. So remember, whenever you get two terms, you need not split. You can always find the answer directly.